It's your girl Andrea with the curls. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on flexi rods and how I got this really cute, easy style. So if you guys want to see, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I have already went ahead and I have washed my deep conditioner out. And then I'm going to switch it up today and I'm going to use my Kiki Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner instead of the Blueberry Bliss that I always use. I have here my flexi rods and I have the big sizes and the small sizes. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use the small sizes in the back and use the big ones towards the top. It's not very many here. It looks like there's about 24 here. So I'm probably going to do 12 on one side and 12 on the other side and see how that goes. I'll probably be doing pretty big sections even with the small ones just so that I can fit all of these on my hair. 8 small ones I'm going to use in the back and the rest I'm going to use at the top.
Here I am applying the Kiki Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner, and if you guys have watched my other videos, you know that I love the Jai Almond Twisting Butter from Camila Rose, and I'm also applying the Eco Styler Olive Oil one to my hair. So I'm going to do that for each section, and then I'm going to go in with my flexi rod. Here you can see that I am wrapping it around the flexi rod very flat. So I'm starting from the root just because I wanted the root to be really tight. What I did was I twisted at the root and then I wrapped it around the flexi rod super flat. But another alternative you could do is start at the bottom and then just wrap the flexi rod around.
Alright, so I have done 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to do the rest of my head and then get back to you guys. I have most of my head done. I just have one more section to go. I was running out of certain colors, so I had to improvise. And what I'm doing is I have a small one for this section here, and then I have 3 big blue ones, and then I have one massive yellow one, which is going to be at the top. And so I'm just going to repeat that on this side. So I already went ahead and I sprayed it, and so then now I'm just going to add my products. So I have finally finished putting in all of the flexi rods, and it took forever and a day, but definitely worth it. I already know my neck is going to be hurting tomorrow, so I'm going to sit underneath the dryer for 30 minutes to an hour and then let it air dry and take it out tomorrow around 6. So I will come back to you guys then. So it is the next day and my hair is looking good and it feels dry. I did sit underneath the dryer for another 20 to 30 minutes. It was on low heat, and sometimes I would switch it to cold just because I didn't want to cause any more damage, any more heat. I do have a shirt on, I promise. Tank top. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out for you guys.
I'm unrolling the flexi rods and twisting the hair around my finger in the direction that the curl or the spiral goes. So you just want to make sure you do that while you are taking out your flexi rods, just so that it'll keep the shape.
This is what my hair is looking like when I finish taking out the flexi rods. It looks pretty good and it's feeling really bouncy, which I like that. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use my coconut milk that I always use, and I will have this in the description box below. And so I'm just going to separate where it naturally separates, and it's very important that you separate where it naturally separates to stop the frizz. We don't want frizz, or if you like a little bit of frizz, girl, go ahead, but for me, I don't really like that much frizz. So I'm just going to take like a dime sized amount, rub it on my fingertips.
I am unraveling the spirals and making sure that it is fully straight. Then I'm going to separate and twist where it spirals naturally. So you want to twist in the way that the spiral is going.
So this is what it's looking like after I take them all out. It is giving me Egyptian vibes, like. So I think I might just fluff it out, and I probably will not be separating them anymore. And I'm not sure if I like the fronts or if I like, you know, more of a side situation, or more of a middle. No, absolutely not. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and fluff this out and see what she's looking like. Maybe I might do middle, who knows, but I'm gonna fluff it out. It's really giving me Egyptian vibes. Like, I love that. Comment down below if you guys have watched my other videos, which one is your favorite. Are you feeling the twist out? Are you feeling the perm rods? Are you feeling the pin curls? Or are you feeling the flexi rods? Comment down below. Let's see. Some fluff. Well. And I still have this big one because it's still wet, so I'm gonna wait till it dries and I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna keep on doing this until I like the shape. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna fluff off camera and then come back to you guys with the final look. So this is the final look. I decided to keep it casual, don't separate the curls that much, just because I wanted it to last the whole week. So if you don't separate the curls early on and kind of have it fresh the first day, you get more uses out of it. So yeah, this is the final look. It's really giving me, do you remember the time when we fell in love? Giving me Egyptian vibes, and I'm here for it. I actually really like it. And yeah, comment down below which style is your favorite: twist out, pin curl, perm rods, flexi rods. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.